McGuinness, Archibald, Locker, Anstey on board with Locker. Locker looking to get past Adrian Archibald. Let's get the ball! Get past him, he nearly took him out. Well, we saw not such a great start from him as Guy Martin. Outrageous, absolutely outrageous, goes through to take the lead.
On board with Finnegan, 185, 86, 87 mile per hour along the flying kilo.
Oh my God.